Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Real Life. I'm Ray.
And I'm Mia. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we're just going to talk, like real friends, about everyday stuff.
Exactly. Nothing fancy, just normal conversation. The kind you hear every day in America.
If you're learning English, this is perfect for you. Just listen, relax, and learn how we really talk.
Okay, Ray, you ready?
Always ready. Let's do this. So Mia, how's your day going so far?
Oh, it's going pretty well. I woke up early today, around 7.
7? That's early for you.
I know, right? I'm usually not a morning person, but today I wanted to go for a walk.
Nice. Where did you walk?
Just around my neighborhood. There's a small park near my house. It's really peaceful in the morning.
That sounds great. I love morning walks too. The air's so fresh.
Yes, and there aren't many people. It's quiet. I saw some birds, some squirrels.
Squirrels are everywhere in my neighborhood. They're so funny. They just run around like crazy.
I know. They're so fast. Sometimes I try to take a picture, but they never stay still.
Same here. They always run away.
So what about you? What did you do this morning?
Well, I had coffee first. That's always the first thing I do.
Oh, me too. I can't start my day without coffee.
Right? It's like I need it.
What kind of coffee do you like?
I usually drink it black. Just plain coffee, no sugar, no milk.
Really? That's strong.
Yeah, I got used to it. What about you?
I like it with a little milk, and sometimes I add a little sugar, just a tiny bit.
That's nice. Sweet coffee is good too.
Do you make coffee at home or buy it?
Most days I make it at home. It's faster and cheaper.
True. Coffee shops are expensive now.
Oh my gosh, yes. $5 for one coffee? That's too much.
I know, but sometimes I still go, just as a treat.
Yeah, me too. On weekends maybe. It's nice to sit in a cafe sometimes.
Definitely. It's a different feeling, you know?
Totally. So after coffee, what do you usually do?
Well, it depends on the day. If it's a weekday, I check my phone, see if I have any messages.
Same. I always check my phone too. Emails, texts, social media.
Social media is a rabbit hole.
Oh yeah, you start with one video and suddenly it's an hour later.
Exactly. That happens to me all the time.
Do you have a favorite app?
Probably Instagram. I like looking at photos and videos. What about you?
I like YouTube. I watch a lot of videos. Funny stuff, travel videos, how-to videos.
Oh, travel videos are great. Do you like to travel?
I do, but I don't travel that often. It's expensive, and I'm usually busy with work.
I understand. Same here. But I love watching travel videos. It's like traveling without leaving home.
Exactly. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not recently. The last trip I took was, maybe last year. I went to Florida.
Oh, nice. How was it?
It was beautiful. The beaches were amazing. The water was so blue.
I've always wanted to go to Florida. Was it hot?
Very hot. But I don't mind. I like warm weather.
Me too. I don't like cold weather at all.
Really? Not even a little?
Nope. I hate being cold. I'd rather be hot than cold.
Interesting. I actually like winter a little bit. I like wearing cozy sweaters.
Okay, sweaters are nice. I'll give you that.
And hot chocolate. Winter's perfect for hot chocolate.
True. Hot chocolate is good, especially with marshmallows.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I love marshmallows.
Me too. The little ones, they melt in the hot chocolate.
Now I want hot chocolate.
Me too. But it's not cold enough right now.
That's true. So, Ray, let me ask you something. Do you cook?
Cook? Sometimes. I'm not a great cook, but I try.
What do you usually make?
Simple things. Pasta, eggs, sandwiches. Nothing fancy.
That's good, though. Cooking doesn't have to be fancy.
What about you? Are you a good cook?
I think I'm okay. I like cooking. It relaxes me.
Really? That's nice. What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making soup. It's easy and healthy.
What kind of soup?
Vegetable soup or chicken soup. Both are good.
Chicken soup is the best when you're sick.
Ah, yes. It's like medicine.
My mom always made chicken soup when I was sick as a kid.
Aw, that's sweet. Did it make you feel better?
Always. I think it was more about her making it, you know? It felt like love.
Oh, that's really nice, Ray. Food is like that. It's not just about eating, it's about the feeling.
Exactly. Do you have a favorite childhood food?
Probably mac and cheese, the kind from the box.
Oh, the classic.
Yes, it's not fancy, but it's so good. I still eat it sometimes.
No shame in that. Comfort food is comfort food.
Exactly. What about you?
Pizza. Definitely pizza. I could eat pizza every day.
Every day? Really?
Well, maybe not every single day, but almost.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
Pepperoni. Classic. Simple. Perfect.
Good choice. I like mushrooms on my pizza.
Mushrooms? I'm not a big mushroom fan.
Really? Why not?
I don't know. The texture is weird to me.
Oh, I get that. Some people don't like mushrooms. What else do you like on pizza?
Cheese. Lots of cheese.
Yes, more cheese is always better.
Always. Okay, let me ask you something else. Do you have any hobbies?
Hobbies? Yeah, a few. I like playing guitar.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. How long have you been playing?
About 5 years now. I'm not amazing, but I can play some songs.
That's so cool. What kind of music do you play?
Rock music mostly. Some blues, sometimes pop songs. Do you play for other people?
Not really, just for myself, at home. It's relaxing.
I think that's great. Music is a wonderful hobby.
Do you play any instruments?
I used to play piano when I was younger, but I stopped.
Why did you stop?
I got busy with school, and then I just didn't go back to it.
You should start again.
Maybe. I've been thinking about it, actually.
You should. It's never too late.
That's true. What other hobbies do you have?
I like reading. Books, magazines, online articles.
What do you like to read?
Different things. Sometimes fiction, sometimes history, sometimes just random stuff on the internet.
The internet has everything.
It really does. What about you? What are your hobbies?
I like drawing and painting, art stuff.
Oh, wow. Are you good at it?
I think I'm okay. I do it for fun. I'm not professional or anything.
That's still really cool. What do you like to draw?
Mostly nature. Trees, flowers, animals, things like that.
That sounds beautiful. Do you show your art to people?
Sometimes, to friends and family. I'm a little shy about it.
I understand. Art is personal.
Yeah, exactly. But it makes me happy. That's what matters.
Absolutely. That's the most important thing.
Do you do anything else for fun?
I like watching movies, going to the theater, or just at home on my couch.
What kind of movies?
All kinds. Action, comedy, drama. I'm not picky.
Do you have a favorite movie?
That's hard. There are so many good ones. Maybe The Shawshank Redemption?
Oh, that's a great movie.
Right? It's a classic. What about you? Do you have a favorite?
I love Finding Nemo.
The Disney movie.
Yes, it's so cute and funny. I've watched it like 10 times.
That's a good one. Disney movies are great.
They really are. They make you feel good.
Exactly. Sometimes you just need a feel-good movie.
Speaking of feeling good, do you exercise?
Oh boy, sometimes not as much as I should.
Same here. It's hard to stay motivated.
It really is. I'll do good for like a week and then I stop.
Oh my gosh, same. I start strong and then nothing. What kind of exercise do you like?
Walking and yoga sometimes. Nothing too intense.
Yoga is good. It's relaxing. Have you tried it?
Once or twice. I'm not very flexible though.
That's okay. You don't have to be flexible for yoga. It helps you become flexible.
That's true. Maybe I should try it again.
You should. What exercise do you like?
I like running, but I don't do it often. My knees hurt sometimes.
Oh no, that's not good.
Yeah, getting older is tough.
Tell me about it.
Do you think staying healthy is hard?
Honestly, yes. There's so much information out there. Eat this, don't eat that, do this exercise. It's confusing.
I totally agree. Everyone says something different.
Right? One person says carbs are bad, another person says carbs are good. Who do you believe?
I have no idea. I just try to eat normal food, not too much junk.
That's a good approach. Balance is important.
Yeah, everything in moderation, right?
Exactly. Life is too short to never eat pizza.
Amen to that.
Okay, Ray, let me ask you something. What makes you happy?
Oh, that's a nice question. Lots of things. Spending time with friends, playing music, watching a good movie. Simple things.
I love that. Simple things are the best.
What about you? What makes you happy?
Similar things. I love being with people I care about. Laughing, creating art, going outside, seeing the sun.
The sun is important.
So important, especially on a gloomy day. When the sun comes out, everything feels better.
Totally. Sunshine changes everything.
It really does. Do you have any pets?
I don't right now, but I want a dog someday.
What kind of dog?
Maybe a golden retriever. They're so friendly and happy.
Oh, they're beautiful. I love golden retrievers.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Aw, cute name. How old is she?
She's 3 years old, still pretty young.
Is she friendly?
Very friendly. She loves people, and she's so soft.
I love cats. They're so independent.
That's true. She does her own thing, but she also loves cuddles.
That sounds perfect. Best of both worlds.
Exactly. Do you think you'll get a dog soon?
I hope so. Maybe next year. I need to make sure I have time for a dog. They need attention.
That's responsible. A lot of people don't think about that.
Yeah, pets are a commitment, but they're worth it.
Absolutely. Luna makes me so happy, even on bad days.
That's the best part about pets. They're always there for you.
Yes, they don't judge. They just love you.
That's beautiful.
So, Ray, what do you think is the most important thing in life?
Wow, deep question. I think it's connection. Connecting with other people. Having good relationships.
I agree. People are so important. We need each other.
We really do. Life is hard sometimes. Having people you can talk to makes it easier.
Definitely. Friends, family, even just friendly conversations with strangers.
Yes, like this conversation. It's nice to just talk about normal stuff, no pressure.
Exactly. That's what real life is. Just talking, sharing, being present.
I think people forget that sometimes. Everyone is so busy, so distracted.
True. We're always on our phones, always rushing somewhere.
Right. We should slow down more, enjoy the moment.
I try to do that. It's not always easy, but I try.
Same here. It's a practice, like anything else.
Well said. So, Ray, you know what? I'm really glad we did this today.
Me too. This was fun. Just a normal conversation between friends.
Exactly. And hopefully helpful for people learning English.
I hope so. The best way to learn is by listening to real conversations.
Absolutely. Not from textbooks, from real people.
And we tried to speak slowly and clearly.
Yeah, but also naturally, like we really talk.
That's the goal.
Okay, everyone, we're going to wrap up now.
Thank you so much for watching and listening today.
We hope this helped you practice your English, real English, everyday English.
Remember, learning English doesn't have to be boring. Just listen to conversations, watch videos, practice a little every day.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Exactly. Mistakes are okay. They're part of the process.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to English in Real Life for more conversations like this.
We have lots of videos to help you learn English in a natural way.
We also have videos about grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, all kinds of stuff.
But our favorite videos are like this one, just talking, like friends.
Because that's real life.
Exactly.
Okay, any final thoughts, Mia?
Just keep practicing, keep listening. You're doing great.
Yes, be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time.
But it's so worth it. English opens up so many opportunities.
You can talk to people from all over the world.
You can watch movies without subtitles.
You can travel more easily.
you can make new friends.
So many possibilities.
All right, we'll see you in the next video.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.